Welcome to Azure Data Factory Real-Time Scenarios. Scenario 7. Azure Data Factory. Delete the source files on successful copy. So what happened here? So this is my copy activity. My file is available in source. So source is Azure Blob Storage. So I need to copy into the sink, and the sink is nothing but destination. My destination is Azure Data Lake Gen 2 Storage. So I need to copy from here to here. So that's the reason I'm using here Azure Data Factory, and already we know how to create the link to services, data sets, copy activity and pipelines. Now we'll see the scenario. So first we're going to take an activity is called validation. So the validation checks whether the file is available or not. The next one is we are going to connect with get metadata. The get metadata will deals with the information about the file. The next one is the condition. So we are going to mention the condition which file we are going to require. So as we already discussed in the previous session, so we are going to depends upon the column count. If the column count matches, then it copies the data. Once the copy the data from source, we need to delete the data from source. So now let's move on to the demo. So this is my Azure portal. Under the Azure portal, I already have created two data storage accounts. One is storage demo storage account 564. It is my blob storage, and this is my demo data lake Gen 2 storage. It is for ADLS Gen 2 account storage account. So going to the blob storage. Under the blob storage, I have a container, and the container has some file, and the file is population by age.tsv.gif file. So it is a GIF file. So I need to copy this file into my ADLS Gen 2 storage account by using Azure Data Factory output file under the population. So there is no file. So I need to copy here. And once successful copying here, I need to remove from the storage account that is called blob storage. Now go to Azure Data Factory. So this is my Azure Data Factory. Under the Azure Data Factory, I already have two legal services. One is this is for blob storage, and one is data lake Gen 2 storage account. And already it goes to the author. Under the author, already have two data sets. So one is this is my source data sets, and this is my destination data set or linked sync data set. So already I have performed certain operations. If you know what are the things I done, please check the previous scenario, that is called scenario number 6. So already I have validation, I have metadata, and I have condition. Under the condition, I have copy activity also. So let me delete it once, because so copy activity. So one successful copy I need to delete. So go and check here, delete activity, and bring here and give the connection. That's it, finish. And I give the here name of that, delete blob storage, delete sorry file from blob storage. And when you give the source, and what is the data set we are going to perform, this is DS in this population data set. And login details I'm not going to save anyway. I'm going to be going back and checking with the condition once. Under the condition, so let me check, file count is 13. So it's okay. Now let me validate it once. So validation is successful. Now debug it. So we need to wait for a few seconds until all the process gets started and a success. So files, so validation has completed, metadata has completed, and if condition is going to work, and then copy data will work. So once copy data finish, then we should get here delete operation also. So we need to wait. See, all the things we have performed. First one is validation, get metadata, if condition, copy and delete. Now let's move on to the my Azure data lake gens to storage, and then copy has the file has copied here. Let move to the Azure data lake gen to storage. Blob storage. So I'm in blob storage and click on continue. See, there is no file, but we have the file where under the gen2 storage. This is my gen2 storage container, output, population and copied. So by this we have completed the copy activity and delete the file from source. Thank you.